ELSA is moving closer to central Florida. We are talking about it now. The center of circulation moving over Key West as it's moved out of Cuba. It did weaken a bit over Cuba. The wind's now at 60 miles per hour and it's still moving north-northwest at 12 miles per hour. So here is the 5 a.m. track. Of course, we'll get a new one at 11 a.m. We'll have a new advisory at 8 a.m. and see if those numbers change. But you can see not much change with the track compared to yesterday. Still seeing the western half of Marion County in the cone, as well as the far western sections of Sumter County. The rest of central Florida will not be in the cone, but we do have that risk, a small to moderate risk for a couple of isolated tornadoes. That comes mainly tomorrow as we see this system riding very close into the early morning hours tomorrow by around 4 a.m. in the Tampa area. As that happens, we'll see some of those stronger outer bands closer to our western counties. That's Marion, Sumter, and Lake counties. Also, the threat for some flooding rain. In fact, that's a bigger threat for central Florida heading into the next 2 days, as we'll see up to 4, possibly 5 inches of rain in Lake, Sumter, and Marion counties. So flooding, the biggest concern. A threat that is very low for a couple of tornadoes that can't be ruled out for Seminole, Orange, and also Polk and Osceola counties. Tropical downpours, rain up to 3 inches could add up in those counties. And then our coastal zones, that's going to be for Volusia County and for Brevard County, tropical downpours and a few wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour can't be ruled out. So sustained winds come in early tomorrow around 3 a.m. and then ongoing through the day, mainly in our western counties, Lake Sumter and Marion, those sustained tropical storm force winds. Here's the rain right now from Ormond Beach to Daytona Beach to Port Orange, even into Flagler Beach now. We're seeing a few showers. These are some of those outer bands near Kennedy Space Center, also Titusville, Winter Park, and downtown Orlando. Again, light rain for now, but we'll see some heavier downpours with those outer bands later in the afternoon today. 74 is the temperature in Orlando, at 79 in Cocoa Beach. Here's a look at the Pinpoint Accurate Forecast.
Today's forecast is brought to you by Starling Chevrolet.
We'll warm to 89 for the high today with a 70% coverage of rain on and off through the afternoon. At times, we'll even see some sunshine. You know how it works as we see these tropical systems moving closer. We have bands of rain on and off, then some breaks here and there, and the risk for some heavy downpours today into the afternoon. There's tomorrow, 3 a.m., the center of circulation moving near Tampa and then continuing north into near Marion County and then eventually moving north of Marion County on into Wednesday night, and then eventually Thursday, most of this moves out. But again, tomorrow through the day, we have the greatest risk of flooding rain, as well as some of those isolated tornadoes, even as early as today into the latter part of the afternoon. We'll have to watch for that, but mainly tomorrow. Highs today in the mid and upper 80s. Here is your 7-day forecast as we get results. And weekend rain chances will be lower, down to 40% Saturday and Sunday, but fairly high the next 2 days.